So here's a recipe that has taken the internet by storm. Everybody wants to make the one-pot pasta. This is an odd dish because you'll never believe you can cook pasta in so little water with all the other ingredients. So right into the saute pan, you add your 12 ounces of linguine. Just put that right in the bottom of the pan. Add 1 onion, which is peeled and very thinly sliced. Add 12 ounces of cherry tomatoes, just cut in half like that. Can you imagine? This is it. 4 cloves of garlic peeled and very thinly sliced lengthwise. So I'm going to put a little garlic here, a little garlic there. 1/4 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper, cracked or ground. 2 teaspoons of salt over the whole thing, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 4½ cups of water. Two big sprigs of basil, just sort of stick them in there, onto the stove. Bring to a boil. So now turn this on high heat. It's going to take about 11 minutes, start to finish, and you'll be stirring this constantly, but you'll see the pasta will soften, the tomatoes will start to cook, the basil will wilt, and you're going to have an amazing, delicious pasta. Have your Parmesan cheese ready to grate. So it's taken 2 minutes for the water to come to a boil. Now watch it closely, keep stirring it around, and the pasta should be done in approximately 9 minutes. Okay, now here is our fantastic one-pot pasta. It is fragrant, and it is well cooked, and it is just ready to eat. I would say this would serve 2 very hungry people and a family of 3. Pick it up and put it right in your bowl. Is that enough for you? And some torn basil leaves and some freshly grated Parmesan. A little sprinkling of pepper, a little bit more salt, and the final drizzle of olive oil. Enjoy. That is a really great pasta. One pot.